Shidakal here with
Aryan Yopani.
and today we will be talking about household arithmetic and calculation of electricity bills.
So what is household arithmetic? Household arithmetic deals with the household financial activities based on household purposes.
Payments of electricity bill, water bill and telephone bill are some examples of household financial activities.
Money exchange and calculation of taxi fares also fall under this category.
Learning household arithmetic is important as it helps us understand where and how we are spending our money.
So let's calculate this bill and find out our total electricity bill.
This bill is for 15 ampere load.
So let's get started. So to find out the total units of each month, we have to subtract present month's reading with the previous month's reading. So now the present month reading is 9476 and the previous month's reading is 9312. So let's subtract it. So the total units is 164. Now we have 164 units as our total consumed units. To calculate the bill further, we need the minimum charge for 15 ampere, which is rupees 125. Now, we calculate the given units with energy charges. For the first 20 units, the energy charge is 4. Then for the second 10 units, the energy charge is 6.50. Then for another 20 units, the energy charge is 8. Then for the 50 units, the energy charge is 9.50. And finally, for the last 64 rupees, the energy charge is 9.50. So now we put all the values in our calculator and find the total energy charge. So the total energy charge is 1513. To find the total bill, now we must add the minimum charge with the energy charge, which is 1638 rupees in total. 1600 38 rupees.
So this is the total calculation for this bill.
Now we check if the bill has a rebate or not. For each bill, you get 2% of rebate if you pay the amount in the given time. So let's calculate it. So now let's calculate the unit consumed for this month. To find the unit consumed each month, we must subtract the present month's reading with the previous month's reading. For this bill, the present month's reading is 9476 and the previous month's reading is 9312. So now let's subtract it. So the unit consumed will be 164. Now that we have the units consumed, to find the total bill, we must find the minimum charge for the 15 ampere bill. So the minimum charge for this bill is 125 rupees. Now we multiply each energy charge with the given unit. So for the first 20 units, the energy charge is 4. As for the second 10 units, the energy charge is 6.50. Now for the next 20 units, the energy charge is 8. Now for 50 units, the energy charge is 9.50. And for the last 64 units, the energy charge is also 9.50. So now we multiply each value and get all the needed values. So for the first one, it's 80. For the second one, it's 65, followed by 160. The next one is 475. Now for the final one, it's 608. Now we add all the value. The total is 1,388 rupees. Now to get the total bill amount, we must add the minimum charge with the energy charge. So as we know, the minimum charge is 125 and the energy charge is 1,388. So we add these values and we get 1,531. So
now we will be calculating the rebate amount that we will be receiving next month. So for this, the rebate amount will be 2% of rupees 1,513. Now the rebate amount comes as 30.26 rupees. Now we have come to the end of this video.
we hope you learned how to calculate your electricity bill at your own houses and more about household arithmetic. Thank you.